Hello wonderful kids and welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Kate and today we have a very fun reading adventure. I'm super excited to learn and discover with all of you. Are you guys ready to learn and have fun? Great, let's get started. Today we are going to be exploring our alphabet. I'm super excited for this lesson because when we work on our alphabet, it also improves our reading. And I love reading. It's like going on a magical journey with words. Do you guys like going on a magical journey? Great. I'm so excited to learn with you all today. We are going to have so much fun discovering what letters make what sounds and how they come together to make exciting words. Let's get started with our alphabet. A makes the ah sound. A is ah. A, apple. A, apple. B makes b. B is b. B, ball. B, ball. C makes k. C is k. C, cat. C, cat. D makes d. D is d. D, dog. D, dog. E makes the sound. E is E, elephant. E, elephant. F makes the f sound. F is F, fish. F, fish. G makes the g sound. G is g. G, guitar. G, guitar. H makes the h sound. H is h. H, hat. H, hat. I makes the sound. I is I, ice cream. I, ice cream. J makes the j sound. J is j. J, jellyfish. J, jellyfish. K makes the k sound. K is k. K, kite. K, kite. L makes the l sound. L is l. L, lion. L, lion. M makes the sound. M is M, monkey. M, monkey. N makes a n sound. N is n. N, nest. N, nest. O can make the O sound and ah. O is O and ah. O, orange. O, orange. P makes the p sound. P is p. P, penguin. P, penguin. Q makes the k sound. Q is k. Q, queen. Q, queen. R makes the sound. R is R, rainbow. R, rainbow. S makes the s sound. S is s. S, sun. S, sun. T makes the t sound. T is t. T, turtle. T, turtle. U makes the U sound and the sound. U is U and U, umbrella. U, umbrella. V makes the V sound. V is V. V, violin. V, violin. W makes the W sound. W is W. W, whale. W, whale. X makes the Z sound. X is Z. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Y makes the Y sound. Y is Y. Y, yogurt. Y, yogurt. Z makes the Z sound. Z makes the Z sound. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Wow, everyone did so great today. I'm proud of every single one of you. Remember kids, keep practicing your alphabet. Once we get better at learning our sounds and what letters make what sounds, we will become awesome readers and be able to read anything. Great job today, guys. If you enjoyed this video today, make sure to follow along and visit me on our next reading adventure. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!